Welcome to Slide Egg. Let me show you how to set up your PowerPoint presentation to start automatically. So first, you'll want to open up your PowerPoint presentation. Once you've got that ready, head over to the SlideShow tab at the top. Now, click on Set up SlideShow. Here's where the magic happens. If you want your deck to play on its own, like a kiosk display, you'll want to select Browse at a kiosk, full screen. You can also tweak a few other settings while you're here. For example, under Show Slides, you can choose which slides to start and end with. If you've got multiple monitors, you can even pick which screen to show it on with the SlideShow monitor option. Once you've got everything the way you like it, just hit OK. Now, let's talk about timing. Head over to the Transitions tab. Pick a transition for your slides if you like. Then look at the Advanced Slide options. Here, you can set how long each slide stays on the screen. If you want the same timing for every slide, you can just select Apply to All. When you're ready to start your presentation, click from Beginning in the SlideShow tab, and your slides will play automatically. And whenever you need to end the presentation, just press the ESC key, and you're done. That's it. You've now learned how to set your PowerPoint presentation to start automatically. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.